Don't dry, you were almost drowned. Don't die, your leaves were turning brown. Don't die, now you're in the soil. Do what you want, but little kale plants don't die. It is Sunday morning right now. It's about 6 a.m. Not daylight saving time. We don't follow daylight saving time because we don't have to. It's not healthy. But anyway, March 11th, 2018, and even though I'm generally not going to vlog on Sunday, I did want to go ahead and keep you updated on the growth of my seedlings, just so y'all can see the progress. Here are the tomato and basil seedlings. Check out this pot of cherry tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna have to take 3 of those down. Sorry. And this one is so close to the other one, I'm gonna have to snip that. What you do is, you're not supposed to pull it out by the roots because you could accidentally pull the other one when they're that close. You're supposed to take a little, like fingernail scissors and cut them off. But this basil has definitely grown little leaves, even despite that mold there. And this basil is doing right well. You see the progress of the yellow pear and the Principe Borghese tomatoes. And there's something else exciting that's germinating. Let's see, there we go. See that little, this is a pepper seed right here. There we go. That's a pepper seed. See that little tail next to it? I've been watching that tail for a couple days, wondering, could that be a sprout or was that just in the soil? But it looks longer this morning. Sorry, it's hard to keep it. There we go. And there's also, I noticed this right here attached to this pepper seed. Look like it might be attached. And that also looks like, gotta get the flashlight just right. There we go. That also looks like it's attached to the seed, right? I can't check because if the sprout breaks off, it'll die. So, but I think those are sprouts, pepper seed sprouting. And this one is definitely a sprout. Right there. See that pepper seed? Boom. And it's got a little tail. That tail was not there yesterday. So I'm excited. Oh, my vlog viewers. I came over here to check on the lettuce that I planted yesterday. And look what I found. My conclusion, it's drowning. This method of growing does not work for kale. It's supposed to work for lettuce. I've seen that online. Just float lettuce in cups in water. We shall see, but will I be able to save this kale? And where am I going to plant it? See, there is no new growth there. But it doesn't look good. I can see you. Look at those roots. Gross. See, I'm not sure I'm even going to be able to get those roots out of the net cup. I might just destroy the plant getting it out of here. It is Monday morning, March 12th now. Outside it's about 42 degrees, 43. Pretty cloudy, but we're inside now looking at the peppers. I've had a couple more sprout, I think. This was the original one that I've sprouted. I've got, or was it this one? No, it was this one, I think, was the original one. The saucer's turned around, so I don't know. But I have 1, 2 of the lipstick variety. It's got kind of pimiento pepper have sprouted, 2 out of 4, and the Etiuda pepper, which is a sweet bell pepper, I think it's orange, I'm not sure, but I have 1, 2, 3 out of 4 germinated. Yippee! Let's go look at how the tomatoes and basil are doing. Alright, let's see, they've gotten a bit bigger. And it looks like they're starting to just grow their true leaves. I have to do some surgery this morning though, man. I can't be tempted. I just can't be tempted to plant extra because it's just too much. Especially the cherry tomatoes produce like crazy. The yellow pears are pretty good, but especially the cherries are crazy. So, see, I've got my fingernail scissors. I'm gonna cut. It's just. Oh, good grief, Jerry! I've got 6. I've got 6 cherry tomatoes in one pot. 7. No, there were 7. There we go, and you can see my lime basil are growing. It's about 10:30 in the morning on Monday now, and I wanted to show you how beautiful this kale is getting. This pot just has 1 plant. This has 2. I experimented. I wanted to see, because I know kale needs a lot of room, so I wanted to see how big kale would get if I put 2 in a pot, and to see if this one would actually get bigger. It's kind of hard to tell because I think I planted them at slightly different times. But anyway, it's getting really nice. I have already, I've cut off of it several times too, so this isn't the actual original form it would have if I would have just let it go. And then there's this, not so beautiful. What I was doing here was, this was supposed to be for growing carrots. Carrots need at least 2 feet if you're growing in a pot. The only pot I could find was this 200-gallon pot. And actually I found, they really don't need 2 feet. It's helpful, but not necessarily. But it's just this 200-gallon pot that was actually 2 feet high. And what I did was I put an old piece of carpet down and then some white 6 mil plastic and some rocks for the wall. And the idea was to make a reservoir where I could bottom water it well. You can see how well that worked out. Y'all, I don't know what it is. This is black 6 mil over here. The black 6 mil just lasts a lot longer. I mean, this has been here, this goji berry pot has been sitting here for a couple of years now, 3 years. And the white doesn't last at all. It's horrible. So this is a mess. So I am going to get busy cleaning away those rocks and just kind of ripping the 6 mil is already ripped to shreds, so I'm going to rip it to shreds some more. And make our yard look a little nicer, because this looks just trashy, don't you think? So that's as good as I'm going to get until Jerry has, my sweet husband, has agreed that he will dig all this stuff out so we can move this pot out of the yard. That was my original thought. Then I thought, well, maybe we can put something in front of it to camouflage it so we can't see the black ugly when we look out. But, no. So I'm going to have to wait till he empties the pot to get the rest of the 6 mil up. Still looks kind of junky, but oh well, we're on our way. By the way, I feel like I need to say this about the kale that almost drowned in the pond. I want you to remember when I did that vlog, I was not doing a how-to and this is going to work. I did say in that vlog that I had no idea if it was going to work. All right, it was an experiment, so I just want to throw that out there. If you went and you put 24 kale in a pond like that floating and they're all dead now, okay, I did say it was an experiment and I didn't know it would work. Okay, all right, just covering this back here, all right? Okay, it's 3 o'clock Monday, probably around 60 degrees, and I want to show you what my husband did for me. Da-da-da-da! Fenced in a bed. Why on earth did he fence in a bed? This is where I'm going to be growing the sweet potatoes. And the deal is, when you grow sweet potatoes, the vines go all over the place. and drive me crazy. So I said to him, I said, I need some sort of containment for the vines. Now they will be able to grow through, and they will grow through, of course, underneath here. There's a big gap. And they can grow through here. But it'll take them a lot longer, and in the meantime, I'll probably be able to stay on top of them and, kind of like pull them back over, kind of push them back to grow the other way. We'll see how it works out. Anyway, this was all leftover chicken wire. We had bought a lot of chicken wire to put around our trees, our fruit trees, so the deer wouldn't eat them down. And on each end, all I have to do is take it off a nail to get through. So there you go. Here is cocoa peat and soil that I mixed this morning. I am determined to finish that row of bags. There are 12 now and 20 total spots. That leaves 8 more. I need to get 8 bags finished, and I've actually got 9 here. 8 strawberry bags and a blueberry bag, actually a double blueberry bag. So I'm going to get on that right now. It's Tuesday, March 13th. Check out. That's grown. The true leaves have grown in a little bit on my yellow pears. Anything new with the pepper seed? That one looks longer than it did yesterday morning. Whoa, that one's actually sticking out of the ground. Check it out. So there we go. Now you can see right there. See? That's the only one doing that right now. That was Benjamin sneezing. Does this have 3 seeds that I've germinated? Did I put 4? Jerry?
What?
Unless that's attached to that. This looks like I have 4 pepper seeds and they've all germinated in one pot.
Yeah.
But that might be the same one. I don't know. I'm not going to complain, though. They're germinating. It's Tuesday afternoon now, about 4 o'clock, and I'm just going to finish up this vlog here. I was going to show you guys that we'd completed a row of strawberries, but we can't. I was going to show you something that Jerry was working on in the garden for me, but I'm not going to because it's thick with smoke out there. And I'm going to admit I'm in a really bad mood about it right now because yesterday, yesterday I know who the culprit was. Today you can't really tell. It looks like it might be the same culprit. Jerry's coming in the door, by the way. But yeah, it's miserable outside to breathe, and so sorry. I have to kind of just truncate this vlog, and I don't mean to end on a negative note, but sometimes that's the way it goes. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like the rest of the vlog. Anyway, I'll see you next time, and hopefully I'll be able to finish it correctly.